Dang it! The check engine light pops up again! But what exactly is wrong with the car? I really need something to save me. And that is why UJS shows up with Rocco Pro to help me. It's an easy-to-use car scanner and app that translates complicated car problems into plain language. Just plug it into your OBD2 port, start the engine, open the app, and pair it with your scanner in the app. The app is completely free to use. With our built-in AI assistant, you can instantly understand what is causing the error code and even get an estimated repair cost. The system is trained on real-world data from mechanic shops and auto parts stores, so the information is reliable, practical, and accurate. It tells you exactly if a trip to the mechanic is needed. Rocco Pro provides in-depth diagnostics that cover the 4 major systems where problems happen most often: engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag systems. These are also the most important systems when it comes to everyday driving safety. Even better, Rocco Pro supports every essential OBD2 function you need and more than you'd expect. Whether you're verifying a used car VIN, checking emissions before an inspection, or diving into DIY repairs with live data charts. Rocco Pro is now official on Amazon and TikTok Shop. Enjoy a 2-year warranty and hassle-free returns on every order. Message our customer support team for more product details. Grab yours today.